Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to stop Google Chrome from running in background after closing it. Alright, so ang next step ay dito lang sa ating Chrome browser, so open lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa upper right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots, so click mo lang yan. And then kailangan lang natin i-select tong settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang i-select yung system. Okay, so click mo lang ito. And then dito sa system ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So mas magandang i-turn off natin ito. Okay, so click mo lang tong button na to. And then ganun lang po siya kasimple. Kung gusto mo naman na magra-run yung background apps when Google Chrome is closed, so kailangan mo lang itong i-turn off. Click mo lang yung button na yan. And then ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. Alright, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.